Hello students, welcome to EVS class, Unit 3, Day 6. Today's date is 5th November. Okay ma? So, what are the 5 features that human beings show? Yes. What are the 5 features? They need air, they need food and water, they move on their own, they give birth to young ones and they will grow. They will grow. Isn't it children? Okay. Are human beings living or non-living things? Yes, they are living things. How do we identify that? So, they are living things or non-living things? Yes, they are living things. How do we are telling that? They are having these 5 features. Isn't it children? So, that's why we are saying all the human beings are living things. And in addition to these 5 features, they can live in a house and they wear clothes also to protect themselves from heat, cold and rain. Isn't it children? Now see, how in the previous class we are looked at how human beings live and show how they protect themselves. Isn't it children? Let us see how are things how are they same and how are they different from each other. Okay, I want to look at the other person on your family member, your mother or your father. Okay children, observe them and you are all having same body parts. Your brother or sister or your mother, you are all having same body parts. You have 2 eyes and your mother have 2 eyes. 1 nose and your mother also having 1 nose. You have 2 ears. Your mother also having 2 ears. 2 hands, 2 legs, 1 mouth, teeth. Isn't it children? So we are all having same body parts. So we are all having same body parts. So we are all similar. We are all having same body parts. Isn't it children? So what is something which is little different from each other? So your mother is here and you. Now observe both of you. So you are having eyes and your mother also having eyes. Your eyes and your mother eyes are same. Little bit difference is there. Your hair is black and your mother's hair also same. No, little bit difference will be there. Isn't it children? So we all little different from each other. And so we are all similar but unique. We are all similar but unique. All human beings have the same body parts. We are all similar. We look little different. We think and learn in different ways. So we are all not think like that the same. I think like that. I think different. You think very different. Isn't it children? So we are very different ways. We are all unique. We are all unique. Understood children? Now all of you open your student reader to SR5 page number 35. SR5 page number 35. See, similar and unique. Can we see that all human beings are similar? We have the same body parts. Isn't it children? We are all having the same body parts. 2 eyes, 1 nose, 2 ears, 1 mouth, 2 hands, 2 legs. We are all similar. So, we have the same body parts. We all follow the same way to breathe, eat, drink and move. We are all grow and give birth to babies. Isn't it children? So, we are all move, we are all drink, we are all eat food, we are all breathe. Isn't it children? So, we are all similar. We are all similar. See the next picture. What do you observe in this picture? See children. So first boy is different in color. Second boy is different in color. Third boy is different in color. And hair colors also. Observe the hair also. Hair colors also different. And color of the skin also different. Okay ma? See. But each of us also unique. We are all unique. We think and learn differently. You think differently, your mother think differently, your brother thinks very differently. We are all think differently. We also look different from each other. In color or eye structure or nose structure, we are all different. We are all unique. Understood, children? So all the human beings are similar and the same way we are all unique. Now all of you open your worksheets to WS9 page number 61. WS9 page number 61. Here see, similar but unique. Look at your partner and answer eyes or nose. You look your mother or your father or your sister. Observe them and answer this. Okay children? Do they have two eyes? You are having two eyes. Your mother or father or your sister having two eyes? If yes, put tick mark on yes. Okay ma? Do they have two ears? If yes, put yes. Do they have a nose? If yes, put tick mark on yes. If no, put tick mark on no. Do they have hands and legs? If yes, put tick mark on yes. If no, put tick mark on no. Okay, ma? All human beings have the same body parts. We are all similar. Okay, ma? Then see the next part is, do you two have the same face? Two of you having the same face? No, little bit difference will be there. So you have to put no. Do you two have the same hair color? No, little bit difference will be there in the hair also. Each person in the world are unique. Okay ma? So put no on it. Do you have the similar skin color? Your mother and you are having the same skin color? Observe your one of your family member and answer it. Okay ma? See, we look a little different. Each of us having a little difference. We are all unique. Okay ma? We think and learn in different ways. We are all unique. Okay children, now turn the page to WS10 page number 62. Recap. Find out and write the if the below pictures are of human beings, plants or animals. Man is a human being or plant or animal? It comes under which group? Man is human being. Man is a human being. In the blank you have to write human being. Next, frog. Frog is a human being or plant or animal? Yes, it's an animal. You have to write animal there. Now see the question number 2. Fill in the blanks using the words given below. Here help box is given. Isn't it children? 6 words are given and you have to fill these fill in the blanks A to I with the help of these words. Okay children. Now first I will read the words. See. Clothes. Clothes means these are all grow. Second word is grow. Grow means పెరగడం కదమ్మా. Plants. Plants means మొక్కలు చెట్లు వీటినే plants అంటాం. Birth. Birth means పుట్టడం. Food. Food means we eat food na? Food. Water. You know about water. Okay ma? See the first one. All human beings dash from babies to children and then adults. So all the human beings grow from babies to adults. So grow. In the blank you have to write grow. Okay ma? See the second one. Non-living things do not give birth. Non-living things do not give birth. Then see, non-living things do not eat food or drink water. Okay ma? Fourth one, D part. Human beings need a home to live and dash to wear. What we will wear? Human beings wear clothes. So in that you have to write clothes. E part. Do we all look the same? Say yes or no. Do we all look the same? No. Then last one, fifth F1. Human beings, animals and dash are living beings. Human beings, animals and plants. Plants are living things. Do you think your bag needs air to breathe? Say yes or no. Your bag need air. Bag is a living thing or non-living thing? It's a non-living thing. So it can breathe? No, it cannot breathe. So you have to write there no. Do you think your friend will grow? Yes. You grow and your friend also will grow. So you have to write there S. Do you think your pencil can move on its own? Your pencil can move on its own? No, it cannot move on its own. So you have to write there no. Okay, children. What we learned today? So we learned all the human beings are similar but unique. Okay, ma? So what's your homework? All of you finish WS 9 and 10 in your workbook, and I'll send a sentence. That sentence you have to write in your notebook and send me the homework. Okay, children. Bye bye. Happy learning.